Hey, do you know what is a PRRC? A PRRC is a person responsible for regulatory compliance. And this is a new requirement from the EU MDR 2017-745. Let's look at this. Hello, my name is Mounir El Azouzi from easymedicaldevice.com. Today we will look at what is a PRRC. If you are a medical device manufacturer, you need to have a person responsible for regulatory compliance, a PRRC, within your organization. But if you are a small or micro enterprise, you are authorized to not have this person within your organization, but it should be permanently and continuously at your disposal. If you are located outside of the union, then your authorized representative should have a PRRC permanently and continuously available. But who can be a PRRC? So there is two cases to be a PRRC. Or you have a diploma, normally a scientific diploma in law, medicine, pharmacy, engineering, or other scientific fields, plus 1 year of experience in regulatory or quality management field. If in the case you are a custom-made manufacturer, you need 2 years of experience in the manufacturing field. Second option is by experience. If you have 4 years of professional experience in regulatory affairs or quality management within a medical device organization, then you are also qualified to be a PRRC. Now, what are the responsibilities of a PRRC? The PRRC should first check the conformity of the device to the regulations and the quality management system procedures. Then it has also to check the conformity of the technical documentation and the EU Declaration of Conformity. It has also to check the compliance to the post-marketing surveillance requirements, the compliance to the vigilance reporting obligations, and in case of investigational devices, it has also to check that a signed statement was issued. But most importantly, this person responsible for regulatory compliance should be independent. He should exercise his authority independently. If you are an authorized representative, you have also to have a PRRC within your organization or out of your organization, but permanently and continuously available. And this PRRC should have the same qualification as the one for the manufacturer. Okay, I hope you understand everything now about the PRRC or person responsible for regulatory compliance. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget also to push the subscribe button so you can get notified for any new videos. And then I say to you thank you and goodbye.